The conference.
About the ESCO. Yeah.
So we are very honored and privileged to be here uh, at the Malpur to have our executive committee meeting of the India region uh, Zone 3 of the Commonwealth Parliamentary Association. We are also thankful to Honorable Speaker of Assam, Dameri ji, my brother, for hosting us in Tamalpur. We have had a good discussion on our further future conference, which will be held at Agartala. This platform, the Commonwealth Association, is a common platform for the Northeast region to come together at the level of the legislators so that we can discuss, we can deliberate, and we can compare common policies affecting our people and to make policies for the mutual benefit of our own people. Quite rightly so, here together we are all represented by majority by tribals, indigenous people of the region, and this conference is one of the best performing all India. And so we are truly delighted to be here. And a big thank you to our Honorable Speaker of Assam for hosting us. He has gone out of the way in the hospitality extended to every one of us. We have the Honorable Speaker from uh, Sikkim, Honorable Deputy Speaker from Sikkim. We have the Honorable Speaker officiating Tripura. We have a very brilliant, dynamic member from the Mizoram Legislative Assembly. We also have Honorable Speaker from Arunachal Pradesh. And so all neighbors here discussing and talking issues, common issues affecting all of us. And we have taken very good decision today on the conference that is going to happen in Agartala. And we are hoping that it will be a successful one.